Understanding fees, margins, and taxes is essential to running a profitable online arbitrage business. In 2026, e-commerce success isn't just about selling, it's about managing your numbers strategically. Every decision from product sourcing to pricing affects your bottom line. Let's start with fees. Every marketplace has its own fee structure, and knowing them up front prevents surprises later. On Amazon, you'll encounter referral fees, fulfillment fees, storage charges, and sometimes advertising costs. Referral fees typically range from 8 to 15% of the sale price depending on the category. Fulfillment by Amazon adds costs for storage and shipping, but saves you time and labor. Walmart, eBay, and TikTok Shop all have their own variations. Some charge listing fees, others take a percentage after the sale. Always check the current fee structure before listing your products. To calculate your true profit, include every expense. That means product cost, shipping to prep centers, packaging, software subscriptions, and even refunds. Many new sellers underestimate these hidden costs and end up with slim margins. Using profit calculators like SellerAmp or Scout IQ helps you understand your net profit per item before you buy. Now let's talk about margins. In online arbitrage, profit margin is your guiding metric. The goal is to find the sweet spot where products sell quickly while still leaving healthy profits.